Dear parent, does your child have a cultural identity? Can they speak their mother tongue? I know many people limit the value of a language to materialism, attaching its worth solely to its ability to secure employment. Even if we go by that logic, any language spoken fluently is capable of taking someone up the ladder of success. Examples abound all around us. Our mother tongue, Igbo, for instance, has produced an uncountable number of superstars in the music industry, film, literature, science, journalism, and leadership. Beyond that, a mother tongue is invaluable because it holds a people's history, oral traditions, their worldview, and indigenous knowledge systems that no other language can fully translate. It fosters a sense of belonging and identity in an increasingly homogenized world. Most importantly, it connects individuals to their roots, instilling pride and self-worth. As a parent, you shouldn't deny your child the language of their culture, as you cannot know their ultimate life purpose or why nature placed them in this heritage. The language you withhold today may prove crucial to their future endeavors. It is imperative, therefore, to offer your child every aspect of their tribal identity, including the language, giving them a solid foundation before they strive for greater accomplishments. Ultimately, the decision to choose a preferred language and when to speak it rests with them. Kuziere nwa gị asụsụ Igbo, ka ọ dị ka ndị Igbo ibe ya. Soba asụsụ gị.